This is the ECOVACS WINBOT W3 Omni, and I genuinely think this thing just ruined manual window cleaning forever. Because this isn't just a robot that sticks to glass and randomly moves around pretending to clean. No, this thing sprays, scrubs, navigates edges, avoids obstacles, cleans floor-to-ceiling glass, then goes back to its station and literally washes its own dirty pads afterward. I'm not joking. This might be one of the laziest smart home gadgets ever created, and I absolutely love it. So after using the WINBOT W3 Omni for a while now, I finally understand why people are freaking out about this thing online. The biggest difference between this and basically every other window robot? The W3 Omni feels like a complete system, not just a gadget. Most window cleaning robots still feel experimental. This one feels finished. You place it on the glass, press one button, and it genuinely handles the entire job by itself. And the crazy part? The results actually look good, like suspiciously good. Now, before I even talk about the tech, let me show you the part that honestly shocked me the most. The cleaning. Because I thought this would be one of those products where you watch the robot moving around and think, okay, cool, but is it actually cleaning anything? Oh, it is. The first time I used it on a large window, the difference was ridiculous. One side looked foggy and dull. The other side looked like the glass didn't even exist anymore. And here's why it works better than a lot of cheaper robots. The W3 Omni doesn't just drag a damp cloth across dry dust, it sprays first, using this triple-nozzle wide-angle mist system, then wipes after. That matters way more than I expected, because instead of smearing dirt around like most people accidentally do by hand, it loosens everything before the pad even touches the surface. So fingerprints, dust, light grime, water spots, it all lifts off cleaner with fewer streaks, especially in sunlight. And listen, sunlight exposes everything. If your glass survives direct sunlight without looking streaky, that's when you know the robot actually did its job. But here's where this thing got really interesting. Edges. Because most window robots completely fail here. They leave this annoying, dirty border around the frame like they're scared of corners. The WINBOT W3 Omni has this feature called TruEdge technology, and honestly, you can see it working. The scrubber actually lowers itself near the edges and presses tighter against the frame while moving. Then it lifts again when changing direction so it doesn't drag dirty water back across the clean area. And it makes a massive difference visually, especially on big modern windows or black-framed glass, where dirty edges stand out immediately. This thing cleans surprisingly close to the corners. Not perfect every single time, but way closer than I expected from a robot hanging vertically on glass. Now, this is the feature that completely changes the experience, the Omni Station. Because usually with cleaning robots, there's always a catch. You still end up cleaning the cleaning tool. But here, the station literally washes the dirty pads for you, and watching it happen is weirdly satisfying. Inside the station, there are high-pressure water jets, spinning cleaning discs, brushes, scrapers. The whole thing honestly looks like a tiny robot car wash. The dirty water gets separated internally, the pads get rinsed, then dried and prepped for the next run. So instead of touching gross dirty pads after cleaning windows, you basically do nothing. That's the biggest flex of this product. It removes the annoying part people hate most. Now, obviously, the moment people see this thing attached to vertical glass, everybody asks the same question. What if it falls? Honestly, that was my concern too. But ECOVACS went overkill with the safety setup. The suction is seriously strong, there's a safety tether backup protection, a power retention if electricity cuts off, auto-locking cable management, and the station itself acts like a weighted anchor. At no point did this thing feel sketchy while using it, even on larger windows. Now, I will say this, the robot performs best on regularly maintained glass. If your windows haven't been cleaned since dinosaurs existed, you'll probably need multiple passes or a quick pre-clean first. Heavy dirt can overload the pad eventually. But for regular maintenance cleaning, This thing is honestly fantastic. Another thing I liked, it doesn't feel complicated. Some smart home products act like you need a full engineering degree just to start them. This doesn't. The controls are simple. The setup is simple. The cable retracts automatically with one button. No wrestling with wires, no messy cleanup, no complicated learning curve. You just place it, press start, and let the robot do its thing. So after spending real time with the ECOVACS WINBOT W3 Omni, I genuinely think this is one of the coolest smart cleaning products I've tested in a long time. Not because it's flashy, but because it solves a real annoying problem. And it solves it well. The cleaning performance is impressive. The self-cleaning station changes everything. The edge cleaning is actually useful. And the hands-free experience feels surprisingly futuristic. Is it cheap? No, but honestly, if you've ever paid for professional window cleaning even once, you already understand the value immediately, especially if your home has lots of glass. At this point, manually cleaning windows honestly just feels outdated. And the weirdest part? After using this thing, watching it glide across glass becomes weirdly addictive. Like seriously, you'll catch yourself staring at it for way longer than you should. And that's probably when you realize, yeah, the future officially got lazy.